What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to freeze your credit reports and remove fraudulent accounts if you've been hit with identity theft or if you're trying to clean your credit file. This is the step-by-step process we use to lock the file down, freeze reporting systems, and submit the right paperwork to trigger account deletions legally and effectively. This is the same full guide that's inside our Patreon, which is still only $50 a month right now, and anyone who joins now will be locked in for life before we raise the price. Each YouTube video we drop comes with a full method that's only available to Patreon members, so tap in and follow along carefully. First step, you need to place a freeze, also called an opt-out, on the following reporting agencies: TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, LexisNexis, Innovis, SageStream, ARS, ChexSystems, and CoreLogic for TransUnion. The address is P.O. Box 2000, Chester, Pennsylvania 19016. Phone number is 1-800-916-8800 for Equifax. It's P.O. Box 740256, Atlanta, Georgia 30374. Phone number 1-800-685-1111. Experian is P.O. Box 4500, Allen, Texas 75013. Phone number 1-888-339-73742. For LexisNexis, call 800-831-2578. Or use their opt-out site online for Innovis Freeze. The report using their online freeze request page. SageStream also has an online opt-out form, and ARS has a request link to submit a freeze as well for ChexSystems. You'll need to request a freeze on their official site, and same goes for CoreLogic. Once these reports are frozen, no one can pull new inquiries or open new accounts in your name while you clean the file. Next step is to download and review your credit reports. Use IdentityIQ to download your full try-merge report. Once downloaded, carefully go through each account on the report and look for red or yellow boxes that show late payments or negative history for each account. You find mark down the account name, the highest balance, the account number, the date, the negative event occurred, and the age of the account. For example, Avant Webbank high balance $291, account number 14706, date April 2019, duration 5 years. Same thing for Merrick Bank, K Jewelers, Capital One, or any others that are showing negative red or yellow indicators. This is the documentation you're going to need for the removal process. Next step is to report the identity theft. Officially go to IdentityTheft.gov and file a full report. Let them know you found multiple accounts on your report that you didn't open and they're damaging your credit. You'll get a report at the end that confirms your statement. This is your affidavit. Now go to consumerfinance.gov and submit the same report through their complaint portal. You can use this sample message to speed up your complaint. I recently reviewed a copy of my credit report and discovered I am a victim of identity theft. I found multiple accounts that were not opened by me, which have been damaging my credit as I am in the process of buying a home. Please remove these fraudulent accounts from my report immediately. I am requesting that the company does what is fair and deletes the items identified as identity theft from my report. After this, you want to match all account numbers from IdentityIQ with your FICO account log into FICO.com. and cross-reference all the account names and numbers they need to match exactly before you submit anything. If even one number is off, they might reject your report. Once everything matches, organize the accounts into the same format as earlier and make sure it's clean and easy to read. Now focus only on removing negative accounts. Do not include any open accounts you want to keep. If you submit an account that's still active or in good standing, they might remove it and you could lose the card. For example, if you're late on a Capital One but still using it every week, it's better not to include it in this process. They could detect usage and reject the claim, or close the card, only include the worst accounts that are hurting your file. Now here's a deeper breakdown on how to use the Federal Trade Commission and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau to delete hard inquiries and other negative data from your report. Step 1 is to pull your full credit report. Go to annualcreditreport.com and download from all three bureaus. Once downloaded, look for any inquiries, especially ones attached to closed or fraudulent accounts. Do not attempt to delete inquiries tied to open accounts you're still using. Next, go back to IdentityTheft.gov, click Get Started and select Report another type of identity theft. Choose fraudulent credit card or loan accounts. Enter your full name, phone, and personal info and select Yes when asked. If you've reviewed your credit report, enter all inquiries you want to dispute. For example, Navy Federal on May 2nd, 2023, and repeat for any others. Then finalize the affidavit report and download it. After that, go to consumerfinance.gov and submit a new complaint. Select credit reporting, credit repair services, or other consumer reports, and then choose improper use of credit report. Now enter the inquiry details for each account and attach your FTC affidavit in the complaint message. Simply state, delete hard inquiries and be firm. Do not include language that sounds uncertain or optional. Make sure your personal information and social security last four are correct before submitting. After that, wait about 2 weeks for a response and check your credit report again to confirm if the changes were made, if anything was missed. You can repeat the process and send a follow-up complaint screenshot, everything along the way, and keep all your files saved because sometimes you'll need to resend your affidavit or verify identity with an ID or social security card. Also, make sure the address you use is a location where you can receive physical mail because updates will be sent directly to you. This is how you freeze your reports, lock out data brokers, report the identity theft, and remove inquiries and fraudulent accounts, the same exact way we show in our mentorship program and inside the Patreon. The full version of this method is available inside the Patreon, which is still just $50 a month and includes lifetime access. If you lock in now before we raise the price, each YouTube video we drop comes with a method like this that's only available in the Patreon. For help or questions, contact the network directly on Discord. Telegram is no longer reliable, and for daily updates, follow us on Instagram at instagram.com/thenetworklink. This video is for educational purposes only, and again, if you need full walkthroughs or support, join the network on Discord or Patreon at patreon.com/thenetworkteam. The link is also in the description.